How to use HeyGen. Welcome to this video where I'll give you a tutorial showing you how to use this cool AI tool called HeyGen. With HeyGen, you can turn still images into talking avatars. You can create long-form video content with an AI avatar as your speaker. You can use their templates and avatars so you don't have to get in front of the camera. If you want to use HeyGen, check the link in the description down below.
What if I told you I use this AI tool to create the intro you just saw? Now, I will show you how you can do this yourself. If you want to sign up, you'll receive 2 free credits. To access all the features, consider choosing a paid plan. Now, HeyGen has 2 primary uses. The first is to animate still images, bringing them to life and making them talk. The second use involves using templates and avatars to create explainer videos. In this video, I will demonstrate both of these functions, starting with animating still images. So if you sign into HeyGen, you should see their home page. To create an avatar, click on Photo Avatar, then select Upload Talking Photo. Wait for it to load. And there it is. Now you can customize it. If you click on the 3 dots and choose Edit Avatar, you can adjust the view modes, circle, square, or the original one. Finally, click Save as New. Now, you can select the format, such as landscape for YouTube or portrait for smartphones. For now, let's go with landscape. There are 2 things you can do here. You can input a text script or choose an audio script. With the latter, you can upload an audio file, and it will automatically sync with the avatar. For now, let's go with the text script. I'll make her say, "I am an avatar created by the amazing AI tool, HeyGen." To preview the voice, click on Preview at the top. You can hear the voice, but won't see the avatar moving yet.
I am an avatar, created by the amazing AI tool, HeyGen.
If you want to adjust the voice, click on Voice to select different voices and apply filters. Only the voices with a diamond symbol are premium and require a paid plan.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Let's choose Sarah. You can also modify the speed and pitch until you're satisfied. For now, let's make it a bit faster.
I am an avatar created by the amazing AI tool HeyGen.
It sounds pretty cool. When you're done, click Submit. It will cost you half a credit since 1 credit equals 30 seconds, and this video is under 30 seconds. After submission, it will appear in the queue. Once it's ready, you can click on it to view the final result.
I am an avatar created by the amazing AI tool HeyGen.
That looks pretty cool. The avatar can even blink and express emotions.
I am an avatar created by the amazing AI tool HeyGen.
Now you can select the video resolution, 720p, 1080p, or 4K. Requires the Pro version. To download the video, click on Download Original Video. The second thing you can do with HeyGen is to use templates and avatars to create an explainer video. Navigate to the left menu and select Templates. There are various templates available, like advertisements, breaking news, explainer videos, or social media. Let's create a social media video and click Use this template. It works similarly to the still images. You can enter a text script or an audio script. Let's go with a text script. Again, on the right, you can customize the voice, speed, and pitch.
Hello everyone, use the link in the description down below to sign up for HeyGen. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button.
When you're satisfied, click Submit. Your video will be processed and appear in the queue.
Hello everyone, use the link in the description down below to sign up for HeyGen. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button.
If you want to download it, select the resolution and use Download Original Video. On the left bar, under Voice, you can clone a voice, using your own or from an audio file. Finally, let me provide a quick overview of the pricing. You can choose between monthly and yearly payment options. The yearly plan offers a 20% discount. You can also select the number of credits per month, ranging from 15 to 120 for creator accounts and from 30 to 300 for business accounts. Choose the option that suits your needs. If you're a small creator, 15 credits a month may be sufficient, but larger creators may want up to 120 credits. Businesses can select the total monthly credits they require. Additionally, you can compare the different plan types on this page. If you're interested in signing up for HeyGen, make sure to use the link in the description down below. This concludes our tutorial on how to use HeyGen. I hope you found this video helpful, and I want to thank you for watching.